Take decisions we made today and ask yourself this question. What made you do this or do that? I like it. It's not haram at all. But is what I like it, is what he told me to do? Right? Look at this hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. You are not a real believer. Anytime you see Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam says, La yu'min, doesn't mean you're a kafir. Don't misunderstand this one. La yu'min mean you are not the real believer. The believer Allah wants you. Right? And he said, you're not a believer. Ahadukum, any one of you, unless or until your desire, my desire, is exactly going with what he said, alayhi salatu wasalam. Can we share examples? Or it's already tough without examples. My child is 15, or my child is 11 or 12. They're adult. The girl is responsible, right? And I don't wake her up for Fajr. She's too young. But I wake up for school. Waking her up for school is not haram, it's good. But I don't wake up on Saturday. That's my hawa. Did you get the point? It's not which one is important, we know that. But what did he tell me? Alayhi salatu wasalam. And what did Allah tell me? Take a dress code. If we're going to talk about dress code, it's never going to end. Right? What did he tell me? What did Allah say? What did the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam said? Either I'm going to do it according to what he said, or I'm going to do it according to what I like, or what society like. Memorize this ayah of Surah At-Tawbah. To me, it's very scary, this verse. To me, Allah said the following. Surah At-Tawbah is the surah that exposed the munafiqeen. It literally showed who is the real hypocrite in Medina. Are you all with me? And see what he said. This is a verse in the Quran. قُلْ إِنْ كَانَ, say, if the followings. Write the followings, because it applies to everybody in this room listening to me, man or a woman, it doesn't matter. قُلْ إِنْ كَانَ آبَاؤُكُمْ, your parents, وَأَبْنَاؤُكُمْ, your children, وَإِخْوَانُكُمْ, your siblings, وَأَزْوَاجُكُمْ, your spouses, وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ, your family. That's not done, that's people. طيب. وأموال اقترفتموها, wealth. وتجارة تخشون كسادها, business that you are worried it is not going to flourish. ومساكن ترضونها, and homes you love and you're pleased with. أحب إليكم, more beloved, he didn't say haram. أحب إليكم, more beloved to you than Allah and His Rasul, and struggle for His sake. Are you with me all? What did he say? Ouch. He didn't say what's going to happen. You know, when you tell let's say your child, just wait and see what I'm going to do to you. What is this usually? What is the message you're telling the child? You better be very scared. And usually we all get very scared because there's something more. Imagine Allah is saying this. He said, فَتَرَبَّصُوا, wait, حَتَّى يَأْتِيَ اللَّهُ بِأَمْرِهِ وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْفَاسِقِينَ. Parents, children, this is exactly, even if you see the sequence, because that's how we are in our life. It's amazing. SubhanAllah. It's parents, it's children, it's your siblings, it's your spouses, and then your whole family. Al-Ashira is usually include the extended family. Maybe in here we can include community, right? And then comes to dunya things, material things. Your wealth, your business, your career, this all goes under it, right? And then your homes. More beloved. What does more beloved mean? Doesn't mean I'm not going to love it. Yani, this is what you learn from the Quran. Pay attention to the words Allah used. He didn't say haram. He said ahabba, more beloved than Allah and His Messenger, and struggle. Wa jihadin fi sabili is not the jihad that we all think. It is, of course, but this is not all. What about me and you? There's no jihad these days. And it's not obligation on the woman anyway. What is my jihad and yours? We go through it every day, if not every minute. What is my struggle and yours? Each one of you here, and anybody who's listening to me, the struggle is different. My struggle is not yours. And yours is not yours. And don't belittle anyone's struggle. Because I'm not you and you're not me. But it's a struggle. Right? So if I don't want to struggle. It's too hard. I don't want to do it. Then I am going to put all the categories he put more beloved to Allah. Then فَتَرَبَّصُوا. Wait. And now you tell me why this is happening to me, or this is happening to me. Did you get it? So, al-hawa is when something I love more than Allah. When it's something I prefer more than Allah and Rasul alayhi salatu wassalam. I told you it's going to be very tough. Now we are bombarded by hawa. We are bombarded by desires. And even if I don't love it, I've never thought of it, it comes in my face, I look at it, and I was like, yeah. Am I right? I mean, look at all social media. What do you see on social media? It's all hawa. They make us love things that normally we shouldn't. That's why we shouldn't look at it. Now I hope you are getting why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala closed the doors. Because it is much easier if I don't know it than when I know. Are you with me? Like how many of you love chocolate? Who doesn't? Right? It's not haram, it's okay, right? It's okay. But if you bring somebody never know what the chocolate is, it's much easier for him or her to tell her, don't do it, don't eat, it's not good for your health. Versus, I love chocolate, and now come and tell me don't eat it. Did you get the point? Now you know why this deen have closed doors to make it easy for us to follow. And what are we doing? We are leaving all the doors open, and now come and tell me you're very strong. How is this going to happen? I follow all these influencers, like I'm speaking to the youth now. Alhamdulillah, we have a good number today. I follow all these influencers, and they are hijabi. But the way they put their hijab and the way they present it, right? What is going to do in me? Of course I'm going to love it. She's very beautiful. I want to be like her. That's all norm. I hope I'm making it easy for you to understand. Feeling what I want is not haram, but as long as what I am going to do is not pleasing to Allah, opposite what He told me, it's going to be very difficult to say no. Very difficult to say no. You don't want to backbite? Don't be around people who backbite. Don't tell me I'm not. You will, sooner or later. Not us, alhamdulillah, but take people who take drugs. Talk to people who take drugs. Youth, how did they start? People who smoke, how did they start? It's somebody around them. So for you, if you want to go against your hawa, the hawa that is against Allah and the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, close the doors. Close the doors for that.